हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय चैनल ब्राइट बिगिनिंग्स। आज डिस्कसन करिबा चैप्टर नंबर 3 मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री ऑफ ओडिशा। ओडिशा जीके सीरीज रो दीटा चैप्टर अपलोड हो सारी जदि देखि नांती प्लीज जाइके देखि दियंतु। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हु वर द फर्स्ट यूरोपियंस टू मेक देयर सेटलमेंट्स इन ओडिशा? ऑप्शंस आर पोर्तुगीज, ब्रिटिशर्स, डच, फ्रेंच। आंसर इज पोर्तुगीज. Under which Governor General British rule was first established in Odisha? Options are Lord Dufferin, Lord Wellesley, Lord Linlithgow, Robert Clive. Answer is Robert Clive. Robert Clive in 1765 acquired the Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha from options are Hyder Ali, Shah Alam II, Shah Alam I, Aurangzeb. Answer is Shah Alam II. Next question. Harispur, the region of first British settlement, is in options are Baleshwar, Pipili, Jagatsinghpur, Dhamara. Answer is Jagatsinghpur. Next question. Colonel Harcourt led the operation for capturing options are Katak and Baleshwar, Baleshwar and Puri, Sambalpur and Katak, Katak and Puri. Answer is Katak and Puri. When did the Baravati fort fall in the hands of British? Options are 1798, 1800, 1803, 1812. Answer is 1803. Treaty of Deoghad is related to options are Sambalpur, Puri, Katak, Ganjam. Answer is Katak. Next question. Baleshwar was captured by which of the general of British? Options are Captain Morgan, Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings. Answer is Captain Morgan. Which year Sambalpur was annexed under the Lord Dalhousie policy of doctrine of lapse? Options are 1849, 1850, 1847, 1852. Answer is 1849. Which among the following was not an administration unit of Britishers in Odisha? Options are Katak, Ganjam, Malkangiri, Sambalpur. Answer is Malkangiri. Next question. Which historical event of Odisha has been termed as the first war of independence? Options are Battle of Buxar, Paika Rebellion, Nag famine, Satya Mahima Dharma. Answer is Paika Rebellion. Next question is who is considered the first martyr of freedom struggle against British rule in Odisha? Options are Bakshi Jagabandhu, Joy Krishna Rajguru, Gangadhar Paikrai, Bir Surendra Sai. Answer is Joy Krishna Rajguru. Which among the following is an impact of Paika rebellion? Options are judicial reforms, reduction in price of salt, abolition of Jamidari system, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Who is called the great nationalist of Odisha during 1857 revolt in Odisha? Options are Joy Krishna Rajguru, Bir Surendra Sai, Surendra Das, Bakshi Jagabandhu. Answer is Bir Surendra Sai. Next question. Surendra Sai revolted against the Britishers in 1833 from which region of Odisha? Options are Puri, Cuttack, Kenjur, Sambalpur. Answer is Sambalpur. Next question is who is associated with Ghumsar uprising that took place in 1835? Options are Chandan Hajuri, Dora Bisoi, Chakhi Kuntia, Ramakrishna Samansingar. Answer is Dora Bisoi. Next question. Maria sacrifice, the scourge of Ghumsar uprising was associated with options are animal sacrifice, burning of corn, human sacrifice, none of the above. Answer is human sacrifice. Next question is Ratnagiri Naik of Kenjur associated with the uprising of which of the movement? Options are Ghumsar, Bhuiya, Satya Mahima Dharma, Brahmo. Answer is Bhuiya. Next, Odisha was affected by Nag famine during which of these years? Options are 1866 to 67, 1780 to 85, 1830 to 36, 1690 to 1701. Answer is 1866 to 67. The poet Nagaera brought a massive change of the field of. Options are art and literature, art and craft, pottery and literature, education and literature. Answer is education and literature. Who was the commissioner of Odisha during the famine of 1866? Options are T. Revensa, H. B. Impe, A. B. Cumberless, George Campbell. Answer is George Campbell. Next question. The construction of railways in coastal Odisha came up in which year? Options are 1886, 1896, 1876, 1888. Answer is 1896. When was the Utkala Sabha established at Cuttack? Options are 1880, 1881, 1882, 1883. Answer is 1882. Next question. Who among the following was the first president of Utkal Sabha at Cuttack? Options are Kasinath Das, Gauri Shankar, Madhusudan Das, none of the above. Answer is Kasinath Das. The Satya Mahima Dharma preached. Options are polytheism, philanthropy, priestcraft, idolatry. Answer is philanthropy. Who was the head of the Satya Mahima Dharma? Options are Mahima Gosai, Madhusudan Das, Dora Bisoi, none of the above. Answer is Mahima Gosai. Who established the first printing press of Odisha at Cuttack in 1837? Options are Raja of Kalikot, Rammohn Roy, Christian missionaries, Joyraj Guru. Answer is Christian missionaries. Who among the following formed Utkala Brahmo Samaj at Cuttack? Options are Rammohn Roy, Kesav Chandra Sen, Pratap Chandra, Harnath Bhattacharya. Answer is Harnath Bhattacharya. Which were two important centers of Brahmo movement in Odisha? Options are Puri and Cuttack, Baleshwar and Puri, Cuttack and Baleshwar, Khordha and Puri. Answer is Cuttack and Baleshwar. Okay, this is the last question. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel.